In this video, we're going to populate our left side navigation menu with user profile picture and user first and last name for the label. Let's go ahead and do that. I will open my main storyboard, find the left side navigation controller here, and it has image and the label for the first and last name. So I will select View Controller, open it in Assistant Editor, and I will quickly check, do I have outlets created for profile image? No. So I'll create an outlet for user profile picture. I'll hold Control button, click, drag, and drop here, and I'll call it user profile picture, like this. And for the label, and I'll call it user full name label. Okay, so now when this view loads for the first time, we want to set this data. Okay, well, first of all, this data is stored in user object that comes from parse. When user signs in, user object is returned, and only when that user object is not empty, we display our navigation drawer. So we can be sure that a user object is there and we can work with it. So the way we work with current user is again with using parse special type object, which is called pf user, and that pf user has a function called current user, which returns an object of the currently signed in user. So from that object we can get other objects like, for example, first name and last name, and these are the keys that we set. If I go to parse, and here under user object I have two records, and these are the keys here: first name, and where is our last name? First name, email, here we go, last name, and profile picture that we've created when we were working on user sign up. Okay, so I'll create a new variable, or it will be a constant, and I'll name it user first name equals, and that's going to be an object, but we need to, because it's going to be an object, we need to downcast it to string. Okay, and we will create a new one, user last name, and it's going to be pf user. I'll just copy it to make it faster, and that's going to be last name, last name. Okay, and now we need to set our user full name label text to a value of first name plus space plus last name. We'll concatenate these strings and we will assign a resulting string to a user full name label. Okay, so hopefully this will work. Let's now get an image from this, and we can access profile picture just the same way through pf user object, and let's just quickly check the key for it. Sorry, profile picture is called profile picture. So I will copy this code, pf user current user object for key. We need to use profile picture. Okay, and profile picture is is a special type object, and it is actually called pf file. So we need to downcast it to pf file and assign it to let profile picture object equals to this PF file. Okay, so once we have it, we can actually start downloading information from parse storage, because the file itself is stored up there on the server side. So we can refer it and use a parse, a built-in function, which is called get data in background with block. Yeah, so this is the one. And when image is downloaded, this block of code will be executed, and NS data will return image data, and I'll give it a variable name image data, and NS error. If something went wrong, we will call it error. Okay, and here's our code. So basically, if image was downloaded, so I will say if image data is not null, if image data is not nil, then we can set our profile image view to this image. So the image view is called user profile picture. I will scroll down here. I'll say image user profile picture image equals UI image. I'll create a new UI image with data, and the data is here, image data. The data was the image, the NS data was downloaded from parse, and we need to unwrap it. Okay, so if image data is not null, then user profile picture image equals new image with data that was downloaded from parse server. So let me build it quickly and see if everything is okay. If no compile time errors we have. Okay, build succeeded. So let's run and see how it works. Okay, so let's open it up. Here we go. We have an image and we have a label. So if I go to about, it works. Main, it works. Sign out. And then I sign in again. Sign in. Open up, and we have a picture and we have a label. So very good. So this part of our application works, and we are done with this video.